Welcome to this modern Craftsman Style home located in a sought-after Bull Mountain neighborhood. It's situated close to a community park, great schools, and it's convenient to Progress Ridge amenities. Heading inside, discover a thoughtfully designed interior with hardwood floors, high ceilings, a gas fireplace, and upscale finishes throughout. The spacious kitchen features quartz counters, a large pantry, stainless appliances, a gas range, and tons of storage. A coffered ceiling frames the elegant dining space. French doors open to the main level office. On the upper level, escape to your privately located master suite, a serene retreat with 2 walk-in closets, and a spa-inspired master bath. Also on this upper level, you'll find a bonus room and 3 more large bedrooms. The fenced backyard with a paver patio and pergola offers multiple spaces for entertaining. Other features include a high-efficiency furnace, air conditioning, and 2 water heaters. Exceptional design and brilliant functionality. You'll find it all here on Hudson Avenue, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.